how to create high converting ads on Facebook that are bringing 100, 200, and even 300% ROI. This is what I'm going to be showing you today. So I'm going to show you how I set up my ads, and this is not a clickbait, okay? I'm going to really show you some pretty freaking awesome ways to create your ads they're going to increase your overall CTR and conversions and like your overall profits on Facebook. Now I'm gonna follow the example from my last video. I'm gonna link it down below, where I find a hot trending product to sell on Facebook, and this one is going to be Wi-Fi booster, because right now we are, as you may know, because this global pandemic, because this virus going around, people are home and people are connected to the internet, and the internet connections are going pretty slow because everybody's connected. So people are looking for ways to improve their Wi-Fi, their internet speed. And as you can see here in Google Trends, people are looking for internet speed and also for internet booster. Look at that. Look at this huge spike here. Huge spike. Like, it's pretty smoothy loody, and then huge spike. So we have already found the product. This is the product, the Wi-Fi booster. This is on AliExpress. So today I'm going to be showing you how I create ads for this product, and not only for this product, but I'm going to show you my way of creating ads. It's basically a template that I follow every time, and I've been following this template for maybe the past 6 years. I don't change my habits because I know this template work. It works, and yeah, you're gonna have this template for yourself, so you can get pretty good results. Now I have, okay, this is my ads manager here in Facebook, and as you can see here, my CTRs are pretty good. Like, the overall is 8%, and the CPC, the overall is just 10 cents, over 10 cents, 12 cents. That's pretty amazing for Facebook. So I'm gonna show you how I'm creating these pretty cool ads. Yeah, let's go ahead and get started. I mean, we already have started, but that was dumb. Anyways, so the CPCs are pretty awesome. 12 cents CTR, it's pretty decent. 8%. Now it can reach up to 15-20%. I have ads and other accounts that I have pretty even higher than this one. So for this example today, we're going to use the Wi-Fi booster. People right now, as we mentioned, people are looking to increase their internet speed. We have the Wi-Fi booster. Now, what I do once I find a trending product, once I find a hot selling product, I will do a research on Facebook to see what other advertisers are doing. And here in the ads library right now, I have found the very same ads for this very same Wi-Fi booster. So this is the exact device that is here in AliExpress. Where is it? Okay, here we go. It's right here. So we already know. We can actually, usually how I start is I would start with a working ad. I would just duplicate their ads that I have it and start running traffic to this, just to see how the algorithm is going to behave. But after that, usually like a day or two after I'm running something these guys are having, or the other advertisers, I would start advertising my own stuff. So I'm going to start creating my own creatives, so I'm unique and nobody has what I have. And here's the process. So I'm looking for Wi-Fi booster, right? So we want to create ad for this. So what I do is I would just go, and this is a rule of thumbs. Every time when I start looking for creatives for my ads on Google, I would start like this. I would just type my product, so Wi-Fi booster. Hold on, that's not all. So I'm gonna go to images, and I will see, okay, here is my Wi-Fi booster. Now, if I create an ad with just the device, like they have it here, the device looks kind of strange, but it's still a device, right? It's okay, but we want something stronger than that. We want to grab people's attention. We want to make them stop scrolling their Facebook wall and be like, oh my gosh, what is this? So we're going to level up. And this is my trick. This is my trick that I haven't told anyone. Usually when I start looking for a product, Wi-Fi booster, gym equipment, pet toys, whatever the product might be, I will just type it like Wi-Fi booster DIY, and I've already have typed it. Look at that. Now we have way more engaging images than the previous ones, right? Look at this one. So why I do that? I do it because I need a weird looking image, a bizarre looking image, so people can stop and look at it and click at it and click the image. Look at this one. This is because, you know, people are bombarded with Facebook ads, and so many stuff are going on Facebook right now. So we need something bizarre, weird looking to make them stop and click our ads. For example, look this one. Pretty weird looking device, right? Now this is, I mean, it's okay to just promote the device itself, but I guarantee you that you're going to have pretty low CTR. Once you put something like weird looking, you're going to increase, you might even double and triple your CTR. I've been tested that, I've tested that 100 times. It works. I know for like, this is my thumb of rules. I usually use that all the time. Weird looking images. Now, why you want to increase your CTR? As you saw, when your CTR goes up, your CPC goes down. So basically paying less for your advertisements. So the idea here is to get higher CTR so we can pay less for our advertising and respectively profit more. Our profit margin is going to increase when we pay less for our ads, right? Now, this is my method. I always do the product DIY, and after it's DIY, then if I don't find cool products, cool images, I would go with bizarre. So I'm just adding a keyword, appending a keyword to the product. So Wi-Fi booster bizarre. Let's see. Oh, I misspelled that. Okay, not many interesting. Oh, this one, but we already saw that. So I'm just gonna go with Wi-Fi booster, and then I'm gonna go with DIY. And now, this is the next step. Is I'm going to even level up one more step. So I am not. I'm not satisfied with just this image, so I'm even going to improve it. So I'm going to pick an image. So let's say this one. This one looks pretty weird, or maybe this one. Okay, let's say this one. So this is basically Wi-Fi router and then some antennas, like homemade antennas or whatever. So I'm going to save that on my desktop, and then let's see actually if I can open it just in my tool. Then I'm going to use Canva. So I'm going to open canva.com. So Canva is a free tool. I use the paid version, but you can use the free one. It's basically for designing your own stuff with a drag and drop builder, so you don't need to be a designer or like a guy who is professional. So I can go here and hit create a design and then type Facebook ad. There we go, Facebook ad. So open that, and right away, boom, we have a blank canvas with the exact size of a perfect Facebook ad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to uploads. I have a bunch of stuff uploaded here. Let's see if I'm going to open. Okay, this is my desktop. I don't need that. I want to download this image now. So I'm gonna save this image. I want to save it on my desktop, and after it's saved on my desktop, I'm going to drag and drop this image here. Let me move myself. I'm going to drag and drop this image here in Canva. You can just drag and drop it here, as you can see. So there it is, the image. I'm going to drag and drop it over the canvas. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Now, ready for the next magic. Usually I lose a lot of sketches in my ads. As you can see, a lot of cartoonish kind of images. For example, here a lot of sketches, a lot of cartoonish images, because these are grabbing attention. These are attention grabbers. We want to, like I said, I know I repeat myself, but it's essential, it's vital to create something that grabs attention, so you pay less for your ads and get more profits for your products or sales. Now, how I do that? Usually the psychology is as following. People follow science, people follow directions. So I'm gonna give them directions, but not like exact directions. So what I mean by that, I'm going to go over elements here in Canva. So I'm gonna hit elements and I'm going to type arrow. Look at that. So I'm going to pull, let's say, I don't know, maybe this arrow, or actually let's see, this one. I'm going to drag and drop it here, and I'm going to rotate that maybe to this antenna. So I'm going to point them to the antenna like that. Okay, and then I want a circle, let's say circle, and I'm going to circle the antenna like that. I'm just gonna drag and drop these two here. I'm just gonna let's move that a little bit. So we want to point them to this weird stuff like that. I'm just gonna change the color of this circle to red like that, and this I'm going to change it to ultra red. I want super, oh, this is just the, I want this one. Okay, there we go. Awesome. Now what we have pointed their attention to this weird looking thing, and trust me, this works like magic. It works every time I use it on Facebook. When I do this sketch, when I point this with an arrow and I point them to the weird looking thing, this is going to work like hot chocolate. And like I said, people, it's by nature, people follow directions, people follow signs, and this is my direction, this is my sign. And when you scroll down your Facebook wall, you not only see this weird looking image, but you see an arrow pointing to this one. Now, I don't tell people what is this arrow about, I just pointed to the weird looking antenna. And it's kind of intriguing, it's kind of mysterious. This is what you want to do when you're creating high converting Facebook ads. You want to be a bit intrigued, a bit mysterious, but also a bit engaging. So you have to engage them, and this is pretty engaging. I hit, like you said, like 3 rabbits with one shot, right? And I have, again, engagement, intrigue, and curiosity. Okay, this is the exact word. I was looking for the word. You need to spark curiosity. So here we go. We have the curiosity sparker. I can even improve the colors of this image. So I'm going to click the image. So I don't like the colors, kind of not too, let me see if I can. I'm going to click filter if I can improve that. So I'm going to go with sour. Ooh, look at that. Sour is perfect. Let's see, Kali style. No, maybe this one. Oh, this one is good. Or maybe festive. Let's see. Let's see black and white. Ooh, this is not bad at all. This is not bad. So I might try 2 versions. This one, I'm gonna download this one, and I'm gonna go. So you have a size bar here. I usually go with 2x, so it's very, very good size. So I'm gonna hit download, and this is going to download it to my desktop. Add 1, and then I'm going to change the color to where is the filter, to this one, the solar one. Let's see if I the intensity, if I reduce the intensity or if I boost it. I'm gonna go with 39 looks pretty good. So I'm gonna download this one as well, and we can, so I usually, why I use red colors, because red pops up in the eye. So if I use, let's say, black or gray, it's not going to pop up in the people's eyes. So that's why I use kind of bright colors. I might use even orange. Let's try orange here. This one. Not bad. Even with this, yeah, I like it. It's kind of different. So we're gonna use this one. Let's download that. Let's download 2x, and we're gonna download this. And that's the first step, by the way. The first step of creating Facebook ads, you need to have very, very good creatives. Like, you need to have the image or your video, and Usually people would argue, oh, but the videos perform way better. I can't agree, man. Like the videos, yeah, they do perform very good, but a weird looking creative or image, it might outperform the video. And in some cases of some of my ads, images perform way better than videos. So you gotta split test by the end of them. That's it. You gotta split test. So let's go. Now we have our image. It's time for step. I don't know which step. I lost track on steps. It's time to create the actual ad. So let's go here over Facebook, and I'm going to go to Business Manager, and we're going to go to not to Page Post, but what I wanted to do is where was the Creative Hub? So I'm going to open the Creative Hub in a new tab. Once we're here at the Creative Hub, we're going to start crafting the actual ad. And here there are two elements: the image that we have created already and the ad copyright, the ad text. So I'm going to focus here on the ad text, and I'm going to show you how I use copywriting. Just simple template that I use that is called AIP, Attract, Identify, Provide. So I don't know where I can write that. Attract, Identify, Provide. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So let's click Create Mockup, and here I'm going to choose a single image from the mockup. Okay, and then this is our working space. Now let's see why this is still loading. My man, come on. Okay, first ad. First, this is Wi-Fi boost ad. Okay, perfect. All right, so this is how on the right side we see how it's going to look like. So the page name is we can go with tech, gadgets, or trending gadgets. I misspelled that, gadgets. Okay, trending gadgets. For page profile picture, we can use let's come up with something quick. So I'm gonna be I don't know, tech. Let's see, tech, and then images, just to have something there. Okay. Usually I like to use these phone lenses. So not phone, but a photo lens. It looks pretty dope. It looks like wood. Look at this. It looks pretty dope, isn't it? So we're going to use this one. I like this one. Or maybe this one. Oh, look at that. This one is pretty good for our image. So let's save that on the desktop like that. And come back to the library, to the page editor. Where was it? To the Creative Hub. I'm going to upload this. Upload. Let's see. There we are. Here we are. All right. Can we crop it? I don't know. Let's hit continue and see how it's going to look like. It looks bad. It looks actually ugly. Why? We should be allowed to crop it. Oh no, it looks awesome. Look at this. Looks dope. It's looking pretty dope. Now, I told you about, let's see, Notepad Online. Just want to write some stuff. So Notepad Online, let's see. Just want to write some stuff. Okay, like I said, I'm going to use the method called AIP. Can I increase this? I want to increase it. AIP, which stands for Attract, Identify, Provide. Alright, there we go. I'm kind of ugly, but just I wanted to show you what I use and how I use it. So these are the three elements I use after I create the image. And I'm going to show you how they work to make the ad pretty kind of high converting and very engaging with the people. Now, let's upload our design. You know what? I'm just going to close it, or maybe let's leave it. So let's upload our design. So I'm going to upload the first image we've created. So the gray one. Let's upload the gray one, and then we might use the second one as well. Okay, let's see, upload this one. There we go. Ooh, it's looking pretty good, by the way. Now, why this page always goes down? Anyways, now it comes to the AIP method, the attract, identify, provide here. So for attract, usually I use one sentence for each segment. So I can call these segments: attract, segment 1, segment 2, identify, segment 3, provide. And you're going to see what I mean. I mean, it's kind of confusing right now because you don't know, but once I start using them, you're going to see. So I start my ad with the attraction. So I have to attract them. I mean, we use the image to attract them, to make them stop. I mean, we use the image to make them stop scrolling their Facebook wall or Instagram wall. But once we do that, we have to attract them somehow. And usually this is where my first segment comes, the attraction. It's one sentence that makes them want to read or click, which is the issue, the problem they have, or a benefit. In this case, we're going to use an issue, and the issue is their Wi-Fi is super slow, their internet connection is super slow. So what I'm gonna say here, my first sentence is going to be slow internet speed, question mark, speed, question mark. That's enough. That's absolutely enough. So slow internet speed, this is my attraction. Slow internet speed, there we go. Now we have the weird looking image to make them stop, to spark curiosity. Now we have the attraction, slow internet speed, question mark, do you? Now I don't use do you have. I don't know, maybe you see that I don't use do you have or do you experience slow internet speed. I just say slow internet speed, because when I use do you, Facebook may disable my accounts because they don't like when you call out people. And what I mean by calling out people is when I say do you. When I say do you, that means I call you out, do you have. So I don't like to use these attributes. I use just generic wording like this one, slow internet speed, question mark. Then this is the first one, so this is the A. This is A, attract. So this is how we attract them. So this one is how underscore it doesn't work, my stuff doesn't. Okay, how can I highlight this one? Come on, dude, I just want to make a score across. No, I can't. Okay, forget about it. Anyways, okay, this is done. This is the attraction. This is done. Now we come to identify. So the identify, I can identify a problem or a solution or both. So in this case, I'm thinking about, you know what? I might identify both the problem and the solution. And here what I mean. So I'm actually going to think of some copywriting text right now on the spot. So let me think about it. Now we have slow internet speed. Let me copy that and paste it here. This is our sentence. Slow internet speed, question mark. And then the identifier is going to be, I can say lately, I actually came up with pretty good one. Due to the global chaos, many people are experiencing why this is so stupid, experiencing slow internet connection, ... And then I'm gonna provide the solution. The Wi-Fi, let's call it super boost. The Wi-Fi super boost was created to solve this issue. Was created to solve this issue. It's has more, let's say more than 10,000 plus sold worldwide. Let's copy that. I think this is pretty good one. So let's see. So we have the attract, then now we're gonna identify the problem. Okay, I misspelled chaos. Oh no, the comma. Okay, so due to the global chaos, many people are experiencing slow internet connection. The Wi-Fi Super Boost was created to solve this issue. It has more than, or I can talk about the benefit, another benefit. Okay, the Wi-Fi Super Boost was created to solve this issue. It connects automatically, or it mounts on your wall outlet, let's say, or something like that. Okay, maybe something else. The Wi-Fi Super Boost was created to solve this issue. The innovative technology. No, I don't like that. So the Wi-Fi Super Boost was created to solve this issue. Or maybe, no, I'm not gonna call what it is. I'm gonna be this simple device, this simple Wi-Fi, or this simple internet booster device. Haha, got it. This simple internet booster device was created to solve that. Just come up with a story. I mean, you can read around the web about this device, but I mean, it sounds like this simple internet booster device was created to solve this issue. It's used by more than, I don't know, it's used by many households, and it's currently on sale. All right, let's say like something like that, households, and it's currently on sale. There you go. Now we have the provide. We provide them with a solution to their issue. Let's see. Due to the global chaos, many people are experiencing slow internet connection. This simple internet booster device was created to solve that, not this issue, that. It's used by many, or it's used by houses. It's used by I don't know, thousands of households worldwide. There you go. Households worldwide, and it's currently on sale. There you go. And then I can say some scarcity. It can be sold out any time as the demand increased in the past 3 weeks. Dude, this is awesome. I like that. In the past 3 weeks. All right, perfect. Now we have the attract, the identifier, and now we need them to provide them with something, a call to action. And I'm going to say, to see, I'm not going to be like, okay, buy here. You've seen all of these ads. Okay, to buy it, click here, or click the link below, or click the image below, or order here, like that, and then link, order here, and then bit.ly link, let's say. But that's too boring. That's not professional. We're professional marketers here, so we're going to lift this up. Instead of saying order here, or purchase here, or click here to order, or this is super generic. This is boring. We're going to say, to see how this device can improve your internet connection, click the image, click the link below, or click here, or click the link below. Boom. and here is the link, and here I'm gonna paste. I'm going to paste, let's say, bit.ly link, whatever link. Let's say our website is www. We want bit.ly, okay, bit.ly link. So I'm gonna use bit.ly. I'm gonna use some of my links here. Okay, let's see. Copy this one, and then I'm gonna go here. Where was it? Boom. There we go. So, folks, I know it's kind of intense, but you know, I want to make sure that I'm giving you everything that I use, and I'm actually doing it on the fly. I didn't create this text or this copyright before the video. I'm actually shooting it right now. So here it is, the attract. Let's see, attract. Oh man, it can't even make it bold. I want bolder. This son of a. Okay, anyways, I'm not gonna swear on the code. But basically, the first sentence is the attract, identify the second one, and then we provide them with a call to action, but not just an ordinary call to action. Just this is next level digital marketing tactics. To see how this device can improve your internet connection, click the link below. Boom. It's not just, oh, buy it here or click to buy it. No. We want to be professionals. So there we go. And now we come to the website. Let's say www Wi-Fi Boost, whatever your website is, wifiboost.com. And then the headline is, usually in all my headlines, I use question marks. I always use questions, because when you question people, the idea here, so here is the idea. I just want to make this crystal clear. The idea of the Facebook ad is not to sell them. You don't sell them on Facebook. The idea here is to make them click to your website. You sell people on your website. You don't sell people on the Facebook page. No. So our main purpose, I gotta make this crystal clear. You gotta know that. Our main purpose on Facebook is to make this click, is to make people to click through and land on our landing page. So I don't want to sell them anything here. So I want to make this as engaging as possible and as curious as possible, so people can click and go to my website and I can sell them stuff on my website. So the headline here is going to be why let's say I'm gonna say why I need. I'm trying to come up with a question that is going to make them even click more engagement. We want more curiosity, more engagement. Why people are going crazy over this internet device. Now you gotta be careful by your wording here, because Facebook may reject your ads if it sounds like a clickbait. So I might not use why people are going crazy over this internet device. I might, because this can get your ads rejected. You can split test. So you gotta be careful. I would just use why Wi-Fi Boost, let's say, works so well. Okay. Works so well. Why does it work so well? Why does it work? You don't know what works well. You don't know what this is about, and you see why Wi-Fi Boost works so well. Like, I don't know. Let me click. Let me see. Let me click that. Perfect. Sometimes I would use now the next thing is the description. Sometimes I would use it, sometimes not. And then we have call to action, and usually I always use learn more. I split tested a lot of other options, but learn more by far for me works the best. So here we have a perfect ad, which is still not perfect because I usually use emojis. Emojis are very essential to grab another attention. Guys, I don't know, but maybe you see by far that I use a lot of attention grabbers, because we want to make people click, as I said, through and land on your landing page, so we can sell them stuff on your landing page. So slow internet speed, and I'm on a Macintosh right now, so I'm gonna hold Control and Command space, and the emoji console is going to pop up. If you're not on Macintosh, you can go on Google and type emojis, and I think it's emojis.com. Get emoji. There you go. So, oh, Emojipedia. I used to use Emojipedia. So click Emojipedia, and you can find all the emojis here, and you can just let's say this one, and you see a copy button, so you can copy this, and it's already copied. You can come back and let's say paste it. Let's see, paste. Boom, there you go. But I'm not going to use this one. So slow internet speed. So I'm going to start typing in the search here. Again, you have a search bar in the Emojipedia. Let's say internet. Internet. Let's see what's going to come up. Okay, global. Oh, okay, these are pretty good. So don't overdo it. I see so many advertisers are overdoing this emoji stuff. Like they're gonna put emoji after emoji, another one. It's not professional. It doesn't look good. So slow internet speed, and I'm going to say well, I'm just gonna put one emoji here. Slow internet speed, and I'm gonna say, let's see which one. Internet global. Let's see, global or globe. Oh, perfect. So I'm gonna use this one with Americas. Slow internet speed, and due to the global chaos, blah 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 blah. Now this device I'm gonna put here because we tell them that this device, it supercharges the Wi-Fi. So we're going to be okay. It's going to skyrocket your internet connection. So I'm gonna use a rocket here. You see, nice rocket. This is the rocket, and then where I say it can be sold anytime as the demand increased in the past 3 weeks, I'm gonna put this on fire. It's on fire. It's trending right now. This is the meaning. This is how people will associate fire. It's something hot. It's something right now. They gotta jump on or they're gonna miss. And usually in the title, in the headline, where is the headline? Where's the headline? Where's my? Oh, I'm so stupid. So in the headline, not always, but I usually use fires as well. So I'm gonna put 2 fires, one on front, one on the end. And this is why Wi-Fi Boost works so well. And there we go, my friends. There you have it, the perfect ad. And this is my template. I just gave you my template that I use, the AIP method, the attract, identify, provide. This is the method I use all the time for whatever product I'm going to be promoting, for whatever service or lead generation, because I have a lot of lead generation, or maybe affiliate products, because I also have affiliate campaigns from different affiliate networks. But that's pretty much it. This is the I've been using this method since, I don't know, 2015, 14. The same method. Now you can put more sentences here, you can put more here. It's up to again, depends on the product, depends on the niche. For this particular one, we're ready to go. We're ready to set up our targeting and start running traffic. Let me know in the comments below. I think that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below if that has been helpful for you, for your business, or for your campaigns. And yeah, like this video if you like it. Like this video if you like it. And if you don't like it anyways. Alright folks, thanks so much for watching. I hope I've been helpful. See you in some of my next videos. Cheers, adios.